So I made this video recently. It got quite a few views and I got a few questions about how best to make it and the prompts. And I'm going to go through exactly how I made this video using two tools, Ideogram and Luma Dream Machine. So to get the consistent look, we need images to start that have a consistent color and a consistent kind of style. And I like to maintain a very similar prompt. Basically here, I'll include it in this video, a prompt about making a cinematic movie scene featuring someone in a location. With Ideogram, I selected 3:1 aspect ratio, and the cool thing with Ideogram is you can select a color palette for the video to maintain that, as it goes through, and all the images that you create will have that same kind of color palette, and I love that for consistency. I'm just going to generate a bunch of different images here of a person in different locations, sitting in a bedroom, sitting in a kitchen, standing on an empty subway station, and then standing on an empty street. Very basic. You can see that the consistency of the images are there. Download your favorite images and we're going to bring them into Luma Dream Machine. Luma Dream Machine has this keyframe feature where you're able to select and upload images to define the start frame and the end frame. And this is where the magic is. From your first image, upload that to the first frame. And from the second image, upload that to the end frame and type in a prompt similar to this. You can play around with it, but the most important aspect here is to include the camera. And I wanted to use a camera orbit right to get that kind of rotation approach to the video, and you want to keep that consistent through all of your prompts. So on Luma, when you're uploading the images, you want to basically choose the first image and the second image for the first video, for start and end frame. For the second creation, you want to use the second image, which was the end frame of the first generation, and the next image. So think about it like linking. You're linking prompts together, you're linking images together to go one from the other, and that's how you get that consistency with the rotation of this video. Once you've generated your videos, you want to bring them into CapCut or any of your favorite editing tools. I like CapCut because it's nice and easy. Put up the videos in chronological order of how you kind of created them, and then you can already see that they kind of seamlessly link to each other. And because the last video we used the final image and the first image as started and an end frame, you can now start to create a bit of an endless loop as well, and it's a really cool effect, maintaining the same kind of camera movement. Then apply some other sort of edits. I like to speed it up a little bit, but check obviously the speed of the rotation of the video to make sure it's not too fast or too slow. And since we're looping here, once you finish that, you can just copy and paste it over and over again to have a non-stop looping video. That's how I made this piece of content. It was a lot of fun to make, and it's all thanks to Ideogram for having a fantastic image generator and Luma Dream Machine and their latest camera control feature to helping me keep that consistent movement.